Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to keep your car clean. The easiest way to keep the outside of your car clean is just to run it through the car wash every now and then. Make sure you check the weather, and there's not going to be any rain anytime soon because that would kind of be a waste. But, usually it's only $7, $5 to run it through the car wash really quick. If you're going to do it by hand, that's a lot more fun. It takes a lot more time and a lot more supplies, but your car will look a lot cleaner too. The wheels on your car, I know that there's some spray you can buy to keep brake dust from settling on your wheels. And I know brake dust is harmful to the metal and it can really eat into it. So you may want to look into that if you have wheels that you're wanting to keep clean. The hardest part of a car to keep clean is the inside. Now, I just got a new car and I found the best way to really keep it clean is take stuff out of it every day. I have a 3-year-old and he's always playing with stuff in the car, bringing papers home from church. All that stuff, don't let it pile up in your car. When you grab your kid and your purse and your diaper bag and all these other things, mothers are good at being pack mules. So grab everything out of the car and bring it inside right then and there, and you won't accumulate a bunch of junk. Vacuum your car out a lot. I would also keep one of these on hand, a lint roller. They're great for picking up messes on your car seats quickly, like crumbs or anything like that. Again, if you have children, it's really great. And there's wipes like this you can buy to wipe off the dash with. Keep them in your car. Also, keep baby wipes or wet wipes in your car. If your child has sticky fingers, you can just hand one back to them and not even think about it. The trick is not to let it get dirty in the first place. Just keep it clean and keep wipes in your car and keep a lint roller and you should be good. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you keep a car clean.